Greetings, and today we'll be testing 7.62 by 39 millimeter AP and non-AP rounds against a 3/4 inch plate of hardened steel. Types of rounds we'll be using are going to be Winchester standard loads, Chinese reloads, Chinese standard ammunition, and lastly hollow points.
121 grain 7.62 by 39 steel core. Yeah, this was that steel core round. We just fired. It's about 80 yards. Put a nice dent in there, but it didn't penetrate. Got a big crater in there.
Chinese 123 grain.
Yeah, this was 126 grain Russian hollow point. Hit it right there, it dispersed all its energy.
Winchester factory load 123 grain.
Hey man. This was 123 grain Winchester full metal jacket factory load. And then a nice little crater in there. Failed to penetrate.
123 grain hollow point.
Alright, this was our first round. That was a hand-loaded steel core round. This was a factory 123 grain Winchester full metal jacket. This was 126 grain Russian hollow point, and this was 122 grain Russian hollow point, which did the least amount of damage out of the three. Right, this is 9 rounds of hand-loaded armor-piercing ammo, rapid fire. Where the fuck are they going?
I see them all.
Well, as you can see of the new rounds that hit, none of them produced any significant changes in shot pattern. And as you can see here, we found shrapnel of the jacket.
As a confirmation from earlier, it's 122 grain Wolf hollow point that was reloaded on American brass. This was a piece of lead that we found in the bottom of the target. And just to prove that, here's a magnet, and you can see it's just the lead core from the inside of the bullet. .123 grain factory Chinese steel core. And I believe that was a miss. 123 grain Winchester full metal jacket. And he misses.